Hello, guys. This is Paul McMillan II. Welcome to another Asian session, 7:44 p.m. and it's October 16, 2025 on Thursday. Now, we don't have any major news tonight for the USD, so that's good. Now, we have officially marked up our charts already. When we look at the daily, you can see that price is closing bullish. And it's depreciated. It's appreciated very high, but this close to this close, price is really pushing out. So we marked up everything to this point. Now, go back to the 15-minute. I see that we have close strength here. We had a little bit of a wipe out this low and the close strength, but to me, I don't really feel comfortable taking this trade because it's too close to the high here. I probably would like to see some manipulation of the bears on this fair value gap or on this fair value gap, because we didn't really have a strong wick without this fair value gap here. So that's what I'm really looking for. So pretty much from 6 p.m. to about 8 o'clock to 8:15 p.m. is big price action as well. So what I want to do is just wait until 8 o'clock, and we'll see where we're at. I would like to see more manipulation from the bears before they decide to go up. I'd see manipulation of this fair value gap. Really. So that's what I would like to see this play. Then what do is part of support. Then the longer to my play for the time. That is when people want to let you guys know. Share my screen. I've officially been funded through my fund futures. So I have to look out that. So I'm going to trade in this account tonight if I get a good quality setup. So what I'm going to do is pause this recording. And we'll see how price goes on the 8 o'clock candle and the 8:15. Yeah, let's see a good setup yet. Price is going to probably be up at this high. If anything, if price passes this high, then we're going to look for a liquidity raid to manipulate this fair value gap or this fair value gap again. That's what we're going to look for. So we'll see once price gets 11 o'clock, so we got less than 12 minutes. I'll be right back. As you can see here, this is one of the reasons why I'm very careful at trading price when it's close to the all-time high. Because even though there are times when price could bust through that high and go up, there's times price could be hitting liquidity after breaking this high, and it can create a trap. But that's the reason why I want to see price really come down and manipulate this area first before considering going long again. So you have a little bit over 2 minutes before the next hand closes. I'll be right back. So the 8 o'clock candle has closed. Let me check something. Yeah. Equal lows here. We'll have to see what price does. Maybe they see them before, probably like that. We have less than 2 minutes for 8:15 closes. I would really like to see more manipulation of this fair value gap. Yeah, a little bit here. I don't want to see that. As a possibility, price could be like this, here, maybe the side of the rock, I would like to see that here. This price is really deep until it's done in liquidity, it's pretty very high here. The price is more than expected liquidity, so. Now, if price ends up invalidating this bullish fair value gap, then I probably will take the trade down to this 4-hour fair value gap. So that's probably my plan. We got about less than 10 seconds. So let's see what 8:15 does. So 3, 2, 1. All right, so we got price closing with some strength here. So what I want to see is I want to see price validate this first before I even consider taking it down to this fair value gap. So that's what I want to see. And we'll see what 8:30 gets us to. Yeah. Let's see. Right back. As we can see here, we have these lows here once again. So we have no clarity yet for this again. No clarity at all. We're just going to sit on our hands and wait and see if the Asia session gives us a setup. If we don't get it, then we're probably more likely to for a New York session. But we'll see. So about to hit 8:30. Yeah, no volume at all. No volume at all. So yeah, no coin volume. Yeah, we'll wait for the big guys. So I'll go ahead and pause this recording. So pretty soon the 8:45 candle will close, but I'm going to actually resume this report at 9 o'clock. We'll check back at 9 o'clock and see where the price is at. So like that. We got less than a minute for 9 o'clock candle close. Might get some more volume with that 9 o'clock candle close. So we'll see. But at this point, this is all accumulation. The very first move is manipulation. And if we look at the daily time frame here, you see that price still holds bullish. The manipulation is more likely going to be on the bear side, and then distribution on the bull side. For this next candle is closed. Still like to see more. We had a slight manipulation here, or maybe this is a healthy pullback. But I still like to see huge manipulation in this area. So I'll pause this recording and we'll wait for the next candle. I'll be right back. Let's see if price starts to manipulate this low. I want to see a huge wick right around this area. I'll actually put something down. Wiped out this, there's bullish candle here. That's what I want to see. As soon as price does that, I'll from this report. Now, technically, this was the last pullback here. Price is wiping out this too, but I would like to see it wipe out this as well. But this might be our manipulation with here, wiping out this area, so that might be good enough. So we'll wait until 9:15. We have about less than 9 minutes on that. You see price swept out this low in this right here. I want to see them go further and get this here. And wipe this here. And that's confirmation for me that the first checklist here is checked off. So we got a little bit over 10 seconds. All right, so we're closing some strength here. So yeah, I would like to see this next candle eat away all of this here. All of this and all of this. Then I'll be satisfied. Now keep in mind, if price eats away and invalidates this opposing fair value gap close below, then we might be ready to take price all the way down to this 4-hour fair value gap. So we're going to see. We're going to see. I want to see this fair value gap get invalidated. So we'll see what the next candle does. I'll be right back. Okay, so it looks like we have looks like this candle was glowing. So this might be a liquidity wick here, but if the next candle closes past the stocks level, then it lets us know that the bears are in control. And then if that happens and the next candle closes below some strength, then we're going to go bearish. So we'll have to wait for the next candle and see. But this is pushing below the chops level, which is really close below. But we have an order block here that says 47% of bears. So yeah, this thing's dropping. Let's wait until the next candle. I'll be right back. This is more likely a liquidity wave and our fake move here. That's what I'm thinking is going on. We're gonna have to wait for the next candle first. So we're going to take a quick sell in the 5-minute time frame. This one. But we'll see what happens if we end up with profit, then I'll resume this report. I'll be right back. All right, so I just made $158 on my top one futures instant account. So now we'll see how this account does. So what I'm gonna do is just watch this. See how we do. We'll take it from there. Let's see. So I'll be right back. All right, guys, so we're keeping profit 150.34. Let's see if it drops a little bit more, then I'm gonna close the trade. How much did it close today? 154. We had a couple more minutes. All right, closing the trade now. Bang. All righty, guys, so we made $127. If this is good. So what I'm gonna do is document the results, then I'm gonna share them, then I'm gonna share the profits I made with my top one futures account as well. Keep it going same. All right, so as you see, I made $127 on my Funded Futures account. And I'm gonna show you the profit that I made on my top one futures account as well, funded account as well. So let me share my screen here. I'm gonna go to trades. And if we win here, you'll see $158 profit. So if we add it up, $158 plus $127, so $285 made between the top front accounts. So yeah, we decided to take the opposite direction, got in on some strength, and we ended up getting a nice cash move. So we did great. So that's it for this session, guys. So I will not be trading New York session at all. So I'm going to study. So this was great, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this live session. See you guys next time. Bye.